Got this LG TV today, and when you first turn it on, it has issues. It won't turn on. Green light just sits there and flashes. So if you turn it off, or you sit and push the power button again, it would turn on. I can't get it to shut off. Well, we're going to take a look at this. It won't turn on. Okay, this is your back panel after you get it taken off. You have your digital board, you have your power supply board. On your power supply board, what you're going to be looking for is capacitors like this, right here. You see how it's swelled up? That guy's bad. That guy's bad. This guy's bad. And that guy's bad. So 1, 2, 3, 4 capacitors. And they are 2200 microfarad and 10 volt. So I got that in stock. I can change it out and get it done tonight. So I'll change these out and I'll show you what it does after it gets fixed. Okay, I'm going to fire it up, change the 4 capacitors, and see what happens. Turns right on. Sweet. Turns right off. Cool. So, 4 capacitors, 2200 microfarad. I used 25 volts, what I had. In less than 10 minutes, had the TV fixed. So, good luck, and I'll see you next time.